All right, boys and girls, this is our half case divisional 5-star baseball break. Finish her up. Good luck. All right, we will start off with Red Sox AL East autograph Mookie Betts. Rookie, number to 499. AL East is Zach. For the AL West, Texas Rangers, Juan Gonzalez autograph to 399. Cubbies, NL Central, number to 499. Arismendi Alcantara. There's a Tim. Also for the NL Central, 19 of 50. Robin Yount. Oh, that's a nice card coming up. Brew Crew. Dual Bat. You saw a single memorabilia of this guy box yesterday. Now he's paired with Teddy Ballgame. 4 of 10. Ted Williams, Roger Maris. Awesome hit for the AL East. Zach. Very nice. And NL Central, really nice looking on-card autograph here. Johnny Bench, numbered 8 of 15. Cincinnati Reds. Oh, that's getting a little bit better now. Let's end strong. Box number 2. Alright, redemption right on top. Five-star autograph. Carlos Gonzalez. Now his Rockies goes to Tiffany. AL Central, Tigers, rookie autograph, Nick Castellanos to 499. Here's the Mel. Mariners, AL West autograph to 399. Edgar Martinez. Back to the AL Central, 499. Omar Vizquel. Omar Vizquel. What's up, Kevin? AL East. Another nice hit. Yankees. Number 2 of 50. Reggie Jackson. Sit there, Zach. And we will finish up Cubbies. Numbered 5 of 10. Silver signatures. Arismendi Alcantara. NL Central to Tim. Alright, guys. No randoms to do. Appreciate it. I'll get it all packed up and out ASAP.